Hi everyone, welcome back to Sonya's Prep. Today I wanted to share with you how I made my chicken Lomein. It can totally be done vegan. You could just omit the chicken and just use vegetables in this dish. And if you'd like to see how I made it, then please keep watching. These are some of the ingredients that I will be using in the dish today. So I have carrot, celery, and red pepper that I have julienned, as well as some bok choy. Bok choy is a type of vegetable. That's what it looks like when it's whole, and if you don't have it, you can use white cabbage as its replacement. I'm also going to be using regular spaghetti because I couldn't find the egg noodles that is normally used. Have some garlic, some ginger, some toasted sesame oil, as well as some chicken breast that I just thinly sliced up. And to marinate the chicken breast, I just use a 1/4 cup of chicken stock mixed in with a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of teriyaki sauce, and sesame oil. Sprinkled in some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Separately, I'm going to be boiling up my noodles right here, and once my pan is nice and hot, I'm going to be adding in about a tablespoon or 2 of sesame oil to the pan and adding in the chicken breast that I have already had marinated in the 1/4 cup of stock. And if you don't have stock, all I did is I took a 1/4 cup of boiling water. I added in a teaspoon of onion soup mix to give it that dark color, as well as a tablespoon of, like I said earlier, of teriyaki sauce and soy sauce and sesame oil. So once that's nice and fried up, I'm going to be removing that from the skillet, adding in another tablespoon or 2 of the sesame oil, and frying up my ginger and garlic. After about 15 seconds, I'm going to be adding in the white parts of 2 scallions that I'm going to just quickly saute as well, and proceed to add in all of the vegetables. And this all should be done on a high flame because you don't want your vegetables to get mushy and soft. So keep the flame hot and just keep moving the vegetables around. Once you start seeing that the vegetables are becoming pliable, add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, and give that a very good mix. Add in the cooked noodles as well as the chicken and mix everything thoroughly to combine. At the very end, for decoration, I add in some julienned green parts of the scallion and give that a good mix and start to plate. This came out so great. You have to give it a shot. It came out better than takeout, I promise. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried it and if you liked it. Give me a big thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe.